In my recent study and research, I got to know that these microgreens are sold at very expensive prices at online vegetable market. Now, ideally, these microgreens are packed with nutrients, minerals, and vitamins, and they can be very easily grown at your home. So here in this video, I will be showing you how easy and simple it is to grow fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds in form of healthy microgreens. These microgreens are a great option for your salad. Also, it can be eaten raw. Also guys, do check my recent video on how to grow wheatgrass and garlic. The link will be given in the description box, also in I button. So to grow these healthy microgreens, the method is very simple. You just need 3 to 4 inches of deep pot. Add gravels to the pot and cover the hole. Do not forget to do the hole at the bottom and start adding the soil to the pot. So here I have taken 2 pots. One is for fenugreek seeds and another is for mustard seeds. Also for soil, I am using normal garden soil. You can also use coco pit, but garden soil is safer. Here first I am growing mustard seed. The transparent pot is for mustard seeds, and this is how you have to spread the seeds. After spreading mustard, add thin layer of soil to the surface and keep it in a bright light area. Do not overwater it, but see to it that you do not keep it too dry for longer time. And after 3 days, this is how mustard seeds have started germinating into healthy microgreen. Now this is how mustard looks at the initial stage of germination. And within a week, these mustard seeds have converted into healthy microgreens and they are ready to harvest. After a certain time, the microgreens stop growing, and that is the time when you have to harvest. Now here I will be harvesting microgreens of mustard seeds and will be using it in my quinoa salad. After growing mustard seed as healthy microgreen, now it's time to grow fenugreek. Now we have already taken soil in the pot, normal garden soil. Now this is how you have to spread fenugreek seed in soil. After spreading fenugreek, take thin layer of soil and cover the surface. Remember that while you are germinating fenugreek seeds or any seed, do not try to press it too hard inside the soil or else it will not germinate. So just like mustard seeds, even fenugreek seeds started germinating, and this is day 3. So from day 3 to day 5, this is how fenugreek seeds have performed beautifully. They are growing very well. And I have also grown fenugreek seed in a plastic container, and even that is doing great. And guys, this is day 8 where fenugreek seeds have properly germinated and all the leaves have opened up, and this looks beautiful. Simultaneously, the plastic container fenugreek seed is still trying to open up completely. Ideally, when the leaves are completely open, do not rush to harvest it. Wait for some more days, maybe some more 2 days, and then harvest it. So here by day 10, leaves are completely mature, full grown, and it's time to harvest. So here after 10 days, start harvesting the leaves. Be very careful while harvesting. Do not cut from the root, just cut the top of the leaves. And this is how fenugreek microgreens look like. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also do give in your feedback in the comment section. This is Vibha signing off.